And in today's topic, we will learn about abacus and its introduction and the benefits of abacus. What are the benefits of learning abacus? There are many benefits and few we will discuss here. There is a 360-degree brain development, as in to say that the both sides of the brain work when we do the abacus with our hands and using the brain. Then, as we do and as we learn more and more complicated levels of the abacus, it helps and improves the concentration level. Then, our speed to calculate the questions and the sums becomes faster, and we are doing the things more speedily. Then, it moves to bring our self confidence to do the things in our day to day life with more confidence. Since we are doing the things with concentration, faster calculations, and with confidence, there is no maths phobia. There is no such phobia of studies with the children as they are doing the things with the confidence, faster calculation, and concentration. When we are learning the things, there is an improvement, there is a drastic change in the memory of the children and it enhances to the increase the photographic memory. How abacus is being used and how the abacus is using both sides of our brain. This is an illustration to help us better understand the working of abacus. This is the left side, this is the right side. The left side is for the logical thinking. The right side is for the creativity side. Let's discuss the left side first. In the left side, the human brain learns the language. We grasp the vocabulary, we learn the new words, we try to speak the words. Then we communicate with each other. Then we move to the numbers. We play with the numbers, we deal with the numbers in day-to-day life, like higher and complicated numbers with the left-hand side of the brain. Then we move to the analytical thinking. Our analytical thinking, the complex thinking, is done with the left side of the brain. Now let's move to the right side, that is more creative. We express ourselves, we express the things with the right side of the brain. As in, if I want to express my happiness, so the right side is giving the command. Then the emotional intelligence, then imagination. So this all is being done with the right side of the brain, that is being used like as in to say that most of the vocalists, musicians, and the good speakers, and the painters, artists, all have a right side brain working more than the left hand side. Then we will see how abacus is being used and how is it using the both sides of the brain. So when we do the maths, it is done with the left side, but when we are using the left side, left hand, when we are using the abacus tool with the left hand, so right brain is being interconnected. So there is a cross connection between these two parts of the body. Now let's see the few types of abacus tools available in the market. If you can see this part, this is the introductory part of the abacus, where the small kids learn to count the numbers and they learn the numbers from 1 to 100 here. There are some sleeping rods. There are 10 rods in this abacus, and each rod is having the 10 beads. So the child from the first rod or from any of the rod, the child will understand the counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Similarly with the other rods. So there are in total 1 to 100 beads in this rod. Then comes this abacus tool. This is the introductory part of the place value system. Here you can see this is the ones part, this is middle one is the tens, and this one is the hundreds part. So each rod will have 9 beads, and when we have to move to the 10th number 10, so there are 2 digits. So we will say 1 bead in the middle rod, 1 bead, 1 tens, and 0 ones means no beads in the ones place. So if I have to make 100 here, so I will make 1 bead in the hundreds place, then 0 beads in the tens and 0 in the ones place. Now let's move to the tool that is being used worldwide across the globe. With this abacus tool, we will be able to do some addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, HCF, LCM, and many more complicated calculations like square roots and cube roots in a very simpler and quickest ways. So these are the types of tools available in the market, and with these tools, the maths is being become easier for the children and helps to enhance the logical thinking and the imagination part at one go. Thank you for watching us. Do like, subscribe and share.